Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to lock Instagram on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on security and privacy. Now at the end of the page, you will find the option of app lock. Just tap on it, and from here, just enable this toggle to enable app lock. Tap on settings. Now from here, just enter 6-digit PIN. Then select use. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Now just link your privacy password to an account or to an email, or you can link it to a question in case you forget your privacy password. For now, I will link it to recovery email. Now in this section, just enter your recovery email. After you enter your email, then select confirm. Now to lock the Instagram app, just enable the toggle in front of the Instagram app to lock the Instagram app. If we go to the home screen and open Instagram, as you can see, it will ask you to enter the PIN. And this is how you can lock Instagram on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.